Hello everyone, it's your math teacher, Teacher Tena. And today we are going to learn about prime factorization of whole numbers. Are you ready? If you are, let's go. First, let's have our vocabulary words. Division. Repeat after me. Division. Let's spell division. D-I-V-I-S-I-O-N. Division. Exponents. Repeat after me. Exponents. Let's spell exponents. E-X-P-O-N-E-N-T-S. Exponents. Exponential form. Repeat after me. Exponential form. Let's spell exponential form. E-X-P-O-N-E-N-T-I-A-L-F-O-R-M. Exponential form. Okay, so we find the prime factorization of whole numbers by division. First, we begin dividing by the smallest prime number, that is 2. So here, remember from our previous lessons, the prime numbers, the smallest prime number is 2, followed by 3, 5, 7, and so on and so forth. Okay, next step is when the quotient is the answer of your division, is indivisible by 2, divide it by the next prime number, that is 3. So the next prime number to 2 is 3. And then next, divide until a quotient of 1 is obtained. So those are the 3 easy steps. Okay, now let's have an example. Prime factorize 36. So here is an example. Let's follow the steps. Begin dividing by the smallest prime number, that is 2. So here we have your number 36. 36 divided by 2 equals 18. And then we divide again. 18 divided by 2 equals 9. Okay? In this step, 9 cannot divide by 2. We cannot divide it by 2. So then we apply the next step, which is when the quotient is indivisible by 2, then divide it by the next prime number, that is 3. So here, we divide by the next prime number 3. So 9 divided by 3 equals 3. And then again, 3 divided by 3 equals 1. So divide until a quotient of 1 is obtained. So now we obtained our quotient 1. So now the prime factorization of 36 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Where did we get this? From here. 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. Okay? Or 2 raised to 2 times 3 raised to 2. 2 raised to 2 times 3 raised to 2. So why is this 2? Because there are 1, 2. 2 2's. And why is this 2 here? Because there are 1, 2, 2 3's. So understand? It's okay if you don't understand. Let's have more examples so that you can understand. So, okay, here, the exponential form. This is called the exponential form. And the little numbers up here are called the exponents. Okay, next, prime factorize 20. So first step, begin dividing by the smallest prime number, that is 2. So smallest prime number 2. 20 divided by 2 equals 10. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Okay, 5 divided by 2 cannot. So next, we divide by the next prime number, that is 5. So 5 is here. 5 divided by 5 equals 1. So now we obtain the quotient of 1. So the prime factorization of 20 is 2 times 2 times 5. 2 times 2 times 5. Or 2 raised to 2 times 5. 2 raised to 2 times 5. This is your exponential form, and there is one exponent for 2. Okay, next, prime factorize 40. Okay, so now let's divide again by the smallest prime number, that is 2. So 40 divided by 2 equals 20. 20 divided by 2 equals 10. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. Okay, now let's have the second step. We divide it by the next prime number, that is 5. So 5 divided by 5 equals 1. Now a quotient of 1 is obtained. So the prime factorization of 40 is 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. 2 times 2. Oh, this is wrong. This should be 2. 2. So 2 times 2 times 2 times 5. Or 2 raised to 3 times 5. This is your exponential form. And this is your exponent, 3. Now, let's have another example. Prime factorize 98. Okay? First step, always divide by the smallest prime number, that is 2. So 98 divided by 2 equals 49. Okay, next, when the quotient, okay, it is indivisible by 2. Now let's divide by the next prime number. So here, 49, we divide it by 7 because we can't divide it by 3 and 5. Cannot. So we divide it by 7. 49 divided by 7 equals 7. And again, we divide 7 by 7. So 7 divided by 7 equals 1. Now, a quotient of 1 is obtained. So, the prime factorization of 98 is 2 times 7 times 7. 2 times 7 times 7. Or 2 times 7 raised to 2. 2 times 7 raised to 2. This is your exponential form with your exponent 2. Okay, now let's work together and practice. Okay, now I'm gonna give you 20 seconds to answer this question. Find the prime factorization. Okay, ready? I'll read the question first and then I'll start the timer. Which of the following shows the prime factorization of 58? Go! Okay, time's up. The correct answer is letter B, 2 times 29. Okay, next. Which of the following shows the prime factorization of 45? Go! Okay, time's up. The correct answer is letter D, 3 times 3 times 5. Okay, next. Which of the following shows the prime factorization of 60? Ready? Go! Okay, time's up. The correct answer is letter A, 2 times 2 times 3 times 5. Okay, next. Which of the following shows the prime factorization of 232? Go! Okay, your time is up. The correct answer is letter C, 2 times 2 times 2 times 29. Did you get everything correct? If you did it, good job. So thank you everyone for listening. I hope you learned a lot about prime factorization. Okay, see you again next time. Goodbye.